Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back. So today I'm just going to go over a quick tutorial on how to polish and get a nice clean polishing around the cuticle. Making sure that we don't overflow into the cuticle and that we don't have to go back and clean up the excess if it gets on the skin. Alright guys? So, first off, you can either hold the polish in your hand or we can put it on the table. So I like to hold it in my hand, but for the video I think I'm going to put it on the table just to make it easier for myself. Because there's a camera right underneath me right now. Hopefully the sound is not too bad because it's not set up the way I want it to. That's okay. So first things first, we're going to pull the polish away from us. Okay, make sure we pull the polish. So I forgot to mention, a lot of nail polish bottles have the brush different sides. There's a wide side, there's a thin side. Always pull along the wide side. It's going to help you in the long run when it comes to polishing. So take the polish out, pull it away from us. That way there's a fair amount on the bottom here, the polish that's on there. Can we see? That's self-focus. Yeah. Okay. So let's do that again. Pull it away from us. Okay. See if it gets in the video. We're going to put the polish down. Don't press too hard. Push it up just a little bit. And pull it down. Oops. Okay. Try to get an even, straighter stroke than that. That wasn't even enough. Let's do that again. Put it in the middle. Turn and pull. Focus on the side. Middle. Turn. Pull. Focus on the side. That's it. Okay. And do that again. Put the polish in my hand this time. Okay. So, pull the polish away from me. Middle. Push up just a little bit. Pull down. That's better. Okay. I don't have to put color back in the bottle if I do it quick enough. Put it on the middle again. Turn and pull. Focus on the edge, not to go over. Middle. Turn our hand, turn the polish bottle, and pull. Not the polish bottle, the brush. Okay, let's do that again. Okay. Yeah, we did some Halloween design last month. This is blood drip. It's fun, simple design. Really easy to do, really fun. People can get creative with this stuff. Okay. So, middle. Push up just a little bit. Pull down. Okay. Back to the middle. Turn our hand. Turn our polish bottle, or polish brush, and pull. Middle again. Turn and pull. And I'm going to pull one more stroke in the middle, just because it was a little thick right there. And that's it. Don't mind the red that's around there, because when we were doing designs we didn't really focus around the cuticle that much. But if we look at the black, it's perfectly even, right? It's not on our cuticle. It's not drowning on the side. And of course we got to do 2 coats. Always do 2 coats of color. See how that's kind of see-through right there? This side. Even though there's a really nice black color, it's still a little bit see-through. We do 2 coats. Middle, same method again. Side and side. And once more in the middle, just because it's a little thick there. That's it. And of course after this we're going to put a top coat. And that's it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Come back for more. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Alright guys, thank you. Have a good day.